You're using the iPhone mail wrong. Try this instead. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. By default, you'll land in the All Inboxes section. Most users simply open an email, read it, go back, and then repeat again and again. But there's a much smarter way to use it. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Categories from the pop-up menu. Here, you'll see different sections at the top. Your iPhone automatically separates emails into these groups. Primary emails usually contain personal emails, important messages, and work-related conversations. Promotions and updates contain less important emails. This helps reduce clutter in your main inbox. Tap on the three dots again. Then switch back to the List view. This gives you a simple email list without category tabs. Now we'll make it even smarter using filters. At the bottom left corner, tap on the filter icon. Then expand the Filtered By option. Now you can filter emails by unread, flagged, sent to me, and CC to me. These help organize your inbox automatically. If you swipe left on any email, and then tap on Flag. You can also choose different flag colors from the More option. This helps save emails for later. These mails go to the flagged category, which means they are important. Anytime you need them again, open the flagged section from the Filters tab. Now you can find them instantly. One very useful option is Only Mails Sent Today. Now your inbox only shows emails received today. You can also filter emails that contain attachments. And finally, swipe left on an email again and tap on More. Then tap Notify Me. This reminds you to revisit that email later. And that's it.